I had these assorted foam pumpkins on hand and thought it would be cool to create an ombre look for this centerpiece. I mixed some brown and white acrylic paint to make a lighter shade, and I used this color for the first two pumpkins, then added more white paint to lighten the color twice more. You could easily find similar colored foam pumpkins at Dollar Tree or Walmart and just skip the painting step. While my pumpkins dried, I assembled my base using one of Dollar Tree's plywood planks and this wood turkey piece, but I had to deconstruct this piece, which took a little finagling. You can see there's some flaws there, so I used this Dollar Tree spackle to fill in the holes in the plank and those pieces in the turkeys. Once the spackle was dry, I sanded it smooth and glued each turkey to the ends of the plank. But there were still some imperfections, so I added some baking powder to some tan paint I had on hand for texture and painted the entire base. These candles are also from Dollar Tree and I just loved the color, so I added these using some foam pieces, which I glued to the base first to give the candles some height. I then glued the pumpkins in place in an assorted fashion, but I still needed to fill those gaps around the candles, so I cut up this floral bundle and pushed the pieces into the foam blocks. I also added some faux leaves, which you won't see me doing in the video, just to help cover up the foam. And that is it for this super simple Thanksgiving centerpiece. I love how this centerpiece turned out. It's very neutral and perfect for smaller tables as well. Let me know your thoughts down below and subscribe for more easy, crafty projects.